हेलो गाइस, नमस्ते, सलाम, नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज के इस वीडियो में आप सीखेंगे एडवांस फिल्टर इन एमएस एक्सेल। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। लेकिन ठहरिए, वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले देखते हैं कुछ बेनिफिट्स ऑफ एडवांस फिल्टर।
Without closing source data table, we can filter desired data and display on same sheet. We can use complex criteria on the table. Without the help of copy and paste, we can directly see output on another sheet or book. In advanced filter, we can set multiple criteria which is not possible in auto filter. Now let's move on Excel screen to see how to use advanced filter. You can see here I have some data given on the screen. Now in this filter I want to see only those records whose students achieve 80 marks in maths. Only those students record. So this is a single criteria. So first select this maths, set here the heading. Now my criteria is 80 marks, so write here 80. Now click on data tab and advanced filter. Now one dialog box appear here. In list range, you can see whenever we select, automatically this table selected, the source table automatically selected here. Now criteria range, if something is written here, please remove it and select criteria with heading like this. Now you can see copy to. This field is not activated. Why? Because I am not select here copy to another selection. So click on copy to another selection and whatever written here, just remove it and final your desired area where you want to see the output. For example, here I want to see the output, so I just put my cursor like this and then click OK. So you can see here Jignesh is a student who achieved 80 marks in maths. So it's called a single criteria. Now let's see multiple criteria. How can we implement multiple criteria? We just remove this. Now for multiple criteria, I just add one more column here. For example, total, and change the criteria 70 marks in maths and total should be greater than 595. Means I want to see only those students record who achieve 70 marks in maths, but the total is 500 greater than 595. Now set your mouse pointer inside a table. Once again, data tab, advanced filter. You can see your source table selected already here. Select a copy to another selection and now click on criteria range. Whatever it's added here, just remove and select your criteria as per your choice like this. You can see on the screen. Now copy to where you want to see the output. So remove this and select your location. For example, here I want to see the output. So just click here and then click OK. So here you can see only Amit have a 70 marks whose total is greater than 595, means his total is 622. So you can see in this way we can use multiple criteria on the table. Now let's see how to use advanced filter on date. Now select a joining date. I already create one data here, so select a joining date like this and copy and paste. Now greater than 16 June 20. So this is my criteria. What is it? I want to see only those records whose joining date is more than, means after 16th June 20. Now once again click on data, advanced tab. You can see here our source table is already selected. Now click on criteria, remove whatever written here, and once again select your criteria as per your sheet. Now select copy to another selection, remove this whatever written here, and just click where you want to see your output. I want to see my output here, so just click here and then click OK. So you can see here Bhima and Chintan, they both have a record whose joining date is after, means greater than 16th June 2020. So in this way you can use advanced filter on date. Now let's see how to use advanced filter on another sheet. Means I want to see the output on another sheet, then how it's possible. Okay, this is my table. So first of all decide yourself. For example, I want to use filter on maths column, maths heading. So copy this and paste on another sheet. For example, here what is my criteria? 70, whose maths marks is 70. That record I want to see here. Now set your cursor on sheet 4, click on advanced filter. You can see our desired table is selected. Now criteria, so my criteria is on sheet 5, so select criteria like this. Now copy to another selection. My copy to another selection is where I want to see the output. I want to see the output on sheet 5, so click here and then click OK. So you can see there is a one error message display. You can only copy filtered data to a active sheet. So this is not my active sheet, so this is a wrong method. Okay, then let's see the right method. Okay, so once again click on this. You have to set your desired criteria same like this. Now this is my active sheet, so set my cursor first here. Now here you have to click on advanced filter and then list range. List range means source data. My source data is on sheet 4, so now you have to select source data like this. Now criteria, where is my criteria? See, my cursor is automatically jump on sheet 5, so now select a criteria like this. Now activate copy to another selection, means where I want to see the output. Here I want to see the output. Just click with the mouse key, mouse button, and then click OK. So you can see in this way only those records who achieve a 70 marks in maths, that record is displayed on another sheet. So there are methods of advanced filter.
तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो कृपया लाइक बटन पर क्लिक करें। यदि आप चाहते हैं कि इस तरह के वीडियो के अपडेट्स आपको निरंतर मिलते रहें तो इस वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक करें और हाँ, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।